we're going to show you how you can customize your pins on your ViewSonic interactive board in your classroom. And so what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to MyViewBoard.com. You'll want to go to that website. And then what we're going to do is click sign in. So this website is going to allow you to make some customizations. We're going to sign in with Google. It's going to allow you to make some customizations to your board, to your Whiteboard software without being in the Whiteboard. And so these will actually save so that each time you open up the Whiteboard software, you won't have to choose the pen size and the color size. You can customize it to what you'd like. So the first thing we're going to do is from this dashboard, this is your MyViewBoard dashboard, we're going to click on this little icon here with the person. This is the follow me settings. So we click on that. And then what you're able to do is this first menu is your settings. So these are some of the settings you can customize. Now you can't customize everything, but you can customize several settings in your MyViewBoard whiteboard. So you got the whiteboard theme, light, dark, or the default there. We're going to scroll down specifically though to our pen settings because I know that's a popular request is how do I customize my pen settings. So this is going to basically customize the fat part of the pen. And so for instance, right now I have my pen to the width of 1, which is going to be the skinniest width out there. And then let's say I wanted to change my color to, let's do more of this green color, and I hit confirm. So basically this section right here is where you can customize the color of your pen and also the width. And so whenever I hit confirm, it saves it, and then what I'm able to do is jump back over to MyViewBoard whiteboard. And if you have the whiteboard software open while you're customizing, it's best to go ahead and close it, and then you can open it back up once you're done customizing whatever it is you're looking at there. And now if I pick up the pen on my side and I just go to write, you'll notice that it's the ugly green skinny color or skinny width that I had customized on my follow me settings. So again, all you do is go to myviewboard.com and sign in with your Google account. Click on the follow me settings up here in the top. Once you do that, you can customize any of your settings here. We specifically highlighted in this video how you would customize the pen settings, but we'll have some more videos and more opportunities for you to learn more about the customizations and whatnot that are available, but feel free to click around and explore.